you have control of your eye's health.
Though the prospect of losing your vision can be terrifying, there are many steps you can take to keep your eyes healthy. 1 in 6 adults over 45 have some sort of eye problem, but you can avoid becoming part of that statistic. One of the easiest things to do is to learn about your family's eye health history. If someone in your family has a condition like glaucoma, you could also be at a higher risk. Getting regular eye exams to catch issues early is also vital. Even something as simple as exercising regularly can protect you against macular degeneration. Fruits and vegetables provide your body with antioxidants, protecting you against cataracts. Keeping your weight at a healthy number reduces your risk of obesity, which can lead to diabetes, which can lead to glaucoma. And while smoking may not seem like it has anything to do with your eyes, studies indicate that smoking has a correlation with cataracts, optic nerve damage, and macular degeneration. Don't light up.
Babies can have some weird stuff going on with their eyes.
As adorable as newborns can be, they can also look a little weird. It's pretty normal for newborns to have crossed or wandering eyes until they are about 4 months old. However, just to make parenting a little more difficult than it already is, a baby's crossed eyes could just be an optical illusion. Some babies have wide nasal bridges or large eyelid folds, and this can create the illusion of having crossed eyes. That being said, if a baby's eyes are crossed most of the time, it's probably best to have a doctor check it out. And for the cherry on top, newborns don't cry tears when they cry, so while they may be screaming, you're not going to see any tears till they are 1-3 months old. Their tear ducts and glands need time to get into full gear, then you'll start to see the waterworks.
That puff of air at the eye doctor is important.
If you've had an eye exam, you've likely experienced the puff of air test, where keeping your eyes open is suddenly the most impossible task in the world. As annoying as this test may be, it's vital to your eye's health. The tonometry test checks your eye pressure. Higher eye pressure is related to glaucoma. The thing about high eye pressure is that you won't feel it, so the glaucoma test is imperative. Higher pressure can damage the nerves in your eyes, and that can eventually lead to blindness. Try to keep your eyes open. The other options for a tonometry test involve actually touching your eye, so it's probably best to just deal with the puff of air.
Correcting your vision is anything but simple.
If you have glasses or contacts, you've probably noticed all the numbers and letters on your prescription. What do they all mean? Most vision problems are rooted in focusing light. Nearsightedness, myopia, for example, makes objects in the distance blurry. Farsightedness, presbyopia, makes near vision blurry. You can also have astigmatism, which makes vision blurred by focusing the light on more than one spot on the retina. A prescription for someone who is nearsighted, farsighted, or has astigmatism will be measured in diopters. Diopters are the units that tell how much your vision needs to be corrected. Your prescription is a series of letters and numbers. If you want to break the code, you need to know that OS is your left eye and OD is your right eye. So, when you see OD 4, 0, 1, 50x 180, it breaks down like this. This, 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 this.
Heterochromia doesn't just affect animals.
Heterochromia, the striking condition that gives dogs like Australian Shepherds and Huskies two different colored eyes can occur in people too. It's just much more rare. 6 in 1,000 people experience heterochromia, which is less than 1%. Typically, heterochromia is a harmless genetic mutation, but it can also occur from an eye injury. Some people believe that dogs with the condition are blind, but that isn't the case. And in some cultures, people believe that dogs and humans with heterochromia can see both heaven and earth. The simple reality is those with heterochromia have different amounts of melanin in their eyes.
The way your eyes actually receive images is kinda crazy.
Mind-blowing fact, the images on your retina are upside down. But obviously, we don't see upside down. What gives your brain is to thank it connects the two images from each eye, and it also flips the image for you. It's way less work to flip the image than it is to walk or read or do anything, really, in an upside-down world. In a study where participants wore inverted lenses, meaning the image had already been corrected by the time it got to the brain flipped the image. The participants therefore all saw the world upside down. But this only lasted for a few days, and the brain adjusted, keeping the image right side up. When the participants took the inverted lenses off, you can probably guess what happened. Everything looked upside down again. They had become accustomed to the lenses, so their normal vision appeared upside down. But again, the brain corrected itself quickly. Thanks, brain.
Colorblind people don't see in black and white.
Colorblind people don't see in black and white.
Blinking gives your brain a break.
Blinking gives your brain a break.
Retinal scans are even more secure than fingerprint scans.
Retinal scans are even more secure than fingerprint scans. You blink thousands of times a day, and even more when you're on birth control. Your eyes are not the same size as when you were a baby. Your eyes are blue for the same reason the sky is blue.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.